Alright, here we have a little Kryptonite lock. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3. Damn. It looks like maybe 3 or 4 pins. It looks like one of those cheap locks from the side covered in plastic. Sort of like a master number 3. So, let's give it a try. See if it is built similarly. It already looks like the keyway's different. Yeah, keyway's different. But overall, the body just kind of seems like it's going to be like that. How it's built internally. I encountered a spool. Holy cow. Oh, there we go. I pretty much screwed it and did what they call bitch picking. Popped it open. It was pretty simple. That was Kryptonite. Little padlock. Thanks for watching.